Affordable comfort at Premiere Classe Dijon Sud, Marsannay. Welcome to Premiere Classe Dijon Sud, Marsannay, a budget-friendly one-star hotel located in Chenove, just a short distance from the vibrant city center of Dijon, France. With its convenient location and comfortable accommodations, this hotel is an ideal choice for both business and leisure travelers. Upon arrival, guests are greeted by a warm and friendly staff ready to assist with any needs. Check-in begins at 1 p.m., allowing guests to settle in and start their stay at their own pace. The hotel offers a hassle-free checkout process until 11 a.m., ensuring a smooth departure and allowing guests to make the most of their time in the area. Premiere Classe Dijon Sud, Marsannay boasts a total of 73 rooms, providing ample options for guests to choose from. Each room is designed with comfort and convenience in mind, featuring modern amenities to enhance your stay. Whether you are traveling alone or with a companion, you will find a suitable room to meet your needs. Built in 1991 and last renovated in 2013, this hotel offers a blend of contemporary style and timeless charm. The well-maintained facilities and thoughtfully designed interiors create a welcoming atmosphere for guests to unwind and relax after a day of exploring the city. Families traveling with children should take note of the hotel's child policy. While children are welcome to stay, there may be additional charges involved. It is advisable to contact the hotel directly to inquire about the specifics of the child policy and any associated fees. With its prime location just 10 kilometers from the city center, Premiere Classe Dijon Sud, Marsannay offers easy access to the city's attractions and landmarks. Whether you wish to explore the historic sites, indulge in the local cuisine, or simply immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere, this hotel serves as an ideal base for your adventures. Experience affordable comfort and convenience at Premiere Classe Dijon Sud, Marsannay. Book your stay today and enjoy a pleasant and memorable visit to Chenove, France. Relax and unwind in style at Premiere Classe Dijon Sud, Marsannay's entertainment facilities at Premiere Classe Dijon Sud, Marsannay. Guests are treated to an array of top-notch entertainment facilities that are sure to enhance their stay. Whether you're looking to relax and rejuvenate or have some fun-filled moments, this hotel has it all.